I want to see if it's what I ordered versus what I got, and I hope this memory card is not fake. It's so tiny. Let me check if this thing is working. This one now, the one where I used to TEMU say, oh, una TEMU 1, me 0. So hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're still here. So I'm sure I've shown you guys when I went for a collaborative video shoot. I think that video will be going up today or tomorrow. If it doesn't go up today, it will go up tomorrow. I'm almost done with editing and all of that, so it will be going up soon. And the order I was packing, I have already sent it out. It's going to Owerri. But then, like I said, I mentioned it earlier that my stuff came in from TEMU. And is it TEMU? This is my first order from TEMU, and I want to see if it's what I ordered versus what I got. So I'm just going to give you my honest review. Okay, so let me just tear it open. I brought this chair here because I don't know if you guys can see it. Well, I'll open it up now, and then I'll let you guys know if it came in exactly how I expected it to. Yeah, let me also bring my camera because I got memory card also from TEMU, and I hope this memory card is not fake. I just hope it's not fake. It came on like a huge discount, and I'm going to try it out with my camera, so I'll just quickly go get the camera right now before I completely open this. Yeah, so I just brought my camera. Let me open this. Is that light shaking? Babe, this light is shaking, oh. It's doing pring pring pring, blinking eyes. See, it's shaking. I got... If this thing is what I imagine it is, then it is so small. For the price I got it, sha, but like I felt because of the discount, it's so tiny. This is supposed to be, I'll leave a picture of what this thing is supposed to be, but like, it's a reflector. Is it a reflector, right? I don't know if you guys know this reflector that you use to... Oh my goodness, it is so tiny. Wow. But like, it's so tiny. This is smaller than I thought. Like, I imagined that it was going to be double this size. This reflector is so small, but what? I thought it was going to be like come bigger than the way it is now, but it's way too small. It is so small. Like, thank God it's a reflector, sha. Because if it was something else, I just hope. But this is small. See now. It's too small. Anyway, then this one, this is a mic. A really like affordable mic I saw on TEMU, and I want to try it with my camera. I hope it works well with my camera because I'm using this spot. I'll use this spot for the camera. I don't know. It's small, but I'm going to try it out, and we'll try it together to see if it works. The regular mic, this mic I use, the receiver is I have a Type-C receiver for the mic, and I have a lightning port receiver for my phones, but it doesn't come with a jack, 3mm jack that would suit my camera. So that's why I got this, but it's fine. This one actually came in, it looks exactly like what I saw on TEMU. but the cable is not long. I'm just going to see how it works. I think it will work well for sit down videos. If it's a vlog, like now when I'm sitting here and I'm talking, I think it can also work. But I don't think it will work when it will work well when I'm walking around, because the cable is not long. So I won't be able to like vlog with it so much. But yeah, I hope it works. I'll try it out and let you guys know. Then I got this cable. Wow, this cable I even thought was going to come small. It's actually bigger than what I thought it looks like. This cable big. Are you sure this is the cable I'm looking for? Oh, Chimo. Are you sure this is... Oh, it is... No, it's not. This is not the cable I'm looking for. Oh, what do I use this for now? This is supposed to be like a cable that will connect my what was it called? Podcast mic to my camera. But this thing is too big. This is it... What's jack is this? I know this is 3.5 jack. But like, what is this? It's too big. As soon as I saw it, I thought it was going to be like a small cable, but this is way bigger than well, it won't work. It won't work for the purpose I got it for. It won't work. I think which device? This thing should be for like all these big speakers or something. I made a mistake in picking the wrong cable. So it's actually not TEMU's fault, but mine. I don't know what I'll use that for now at this point. Then I got a memory card, Kodak 256GB memory card. I read reviews on this memory card and I hope it works well. So it's a V30 memory card with the adapter. I'll check. I'll try it out with my mic. Then this is the one I'm looking forward to seeing actually. I got this is kind of like a bedside lamp, and when I got it, I already saw reviews that it will be smaller than what it looks like on like the app, on the TEMU app. So I expected it to be small. I expected the size to be like I'm not disappointed in the size or anything, but like, let me just see if it works. I hope it works. I hope it works. You don't tell TEMU why now. TEMU, why? Look at this. Look at this. Okay, it's just for me to fit it in properly. Okay, it's not too bad, sha, but like, I'm trying to fix it. Is a table lamp. I'm just going to like look for a way to stick this myself. But it's not a bad buy generally, so I'm just going to plug it now and see if it will light up the space, right? See now, it don't stick. Like, I've been able to stick it. I just need to get like a good gum, like top bond or something, to hold it in place. I know I can do that. Like, I can do that easily. I need to stop saying like, you guys help me. I need to stop saying like. But yes, I'm pleased with the order. I just hope this memory card works well. Of course, we're going to fix it in together. For now, let me check if this thing is working. Okay guys, I have done all the trial and error I need to try. The memory card is working and is working perfectly. I'm so excited. You have to really calm down to look at the description of what you want to buy before you go ahead with buying, because most times the mistake we make is from the description we give. Okay, but aside from that, like even this stuff too that I'm disappointed about, I'm sure if I had looked properly, I would have seen in the description there is a certain diameter and all of that, and I wouldn't be so disappointed, because this is tiny. This is tiny, but I will see if I can actually still work with it. I'm sure I'm not going to throw it away. I will definitely work with it, but like, it was way smaller than I expected. This one, now the one where I used TEMU, say, oh, una TEMU 1, me 0. Whew, okay guys, quick update. This stuff I got from TEMU obviously did not work. It's not working. I even plugged it on, like I plugged it to the camera. What I saw was unsupported. The microphone plugged in or something is not supported. After saying everything I said, it came out muted. So right now I'm using the R10, the Canon R10. I'm setting it up in a way that I'm beginning to like. Initially I thought this camera wasn't bright enough, but obviously I just need to play with the settings more. And see, I'm looking at myself, I'm smiling. I'm loving the resolution of the camera already. So the sound you're hearing right now is the sound that comes directly from the Canon R10. Okay, I'm sure it's going to pick up a whole lot of noise, but like when I play it back I will know if it's nice or not. I played it the first time, like I wasn't impressed with the sound, but then I realized that the volume was really low. So now let me see, I've increased it and I'm talking again just to see how far okay it's going to go. I just hope that it will be okay. But like, so at this point I need to get a microphone. The microphone I have is only for my iPhone and for any other Type-C phone. Yeah, so anyway, aside from that, I'm still playing with the settings of this camera, but like, how do you guys see it? Does it look so different from the iPhone 11 Pro Max that I use? Like, do you like it? I'm beginning to like it. Initially, I have deleted about 10 videos that I made with this camera because I was watching YouTuber setup on YouTube, and I was following through with it exactly the way I was instructed. But then I wasn't liking the resolution, I wasn't liking the output, the light or anything. I just was not feeling it. I just felt like, ah, God, I would need. But today, while I was test running the camera, I stumbled on the ISO and I came to realize that like I could tweak it to the lighting in my like environment. Just like by tweaking it, I began to see that like there's a lot I could do with that ISO thing that could really improve how this camera looks. So hopefully I will not have to be relying on my phone anymore. My phone is there charging and I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Okay, like aside from that, yeah, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For my experience with TEMU, I'm not like so excited with the outcome. I was really hoping that I would like everything I purchased, but I'm kind of disappointed because right now a lot of the things I got did not serve the purpose. I think the only thing I'm happy, like I'm so happy with, is the lamp. Yeah, let me show you guys the lamp. That's the lamp sitting pretty there. So I need to get an extender that I will plug directly to the socket at the back of the bed, and then the memory card for this camera. So I'm happy with that purchase. Thankfully, the other things that disappointed me were the things I bought for like 2,000, 3,000, 1,000 and all. So I would say I had like a 50% good experience and then 50% bad experience with TEMU. I would just have to be more careful when I'm trying to like order for things on TEMU and just check the qualifications really well. I do that with other websites that I shop from, but I just felt like TEMU was, anyway, I would have to be more careful when I'm shopping on TEMU. That's just what it means. Check the resolutions, check the settings, check the sizes and everything that needs to be checked before I place my order. But aside from that, yeah, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. My name is Betty. You're welcome to Chandra's Corner. In this channel, I do vlogs. I talk about content creation, growth tips, entrepreneurship and business ideas, various ways to make money online, and all of that good stuff. So if this video I have here on my, the videos I have here on my channel are your kind of vibe, please subscribe to the family, join, turn on your post notification as well. See you guys on my next vlog.